Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter Our Environment, beginning with the topic of trophic level. Now, further we will do the ecological pyramids. Now, what are ecological pyramids? It was the idea of ecological pyramid was developed by Charles Elton in 1927. An ecological pyramid may be defined as a graphic representation of an ecological parameter, number or biomass or amount of accumulated energy at different trophic level in a food chain in an ecosystem. On the basis of ecological parameters, ecological pyramids are of three types. Number one, pyramid of number. Number two, pyramid of biomass. And number three, pyramid of energy. Okay. So these are the three different type of pyramids. Now, this is the ecological pyramid, which is one of the ecological pyramid which is shown to you. Now, these may be upright or inverted. Okay, these may be upright or inverted. In it may be in any condition. Upright like in pond ecosystem, and inverted like in parasitic food chain. Okay, so and in this C, producers, they are at the base of the ecological pyramid, then herbivores, then primary carnivores, and then secondary carnivores. Again, see here, producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and then tertiary consumer. Okay, so now if we talk about the flow of energy and ecosystem, the ultimate source of energy used by the living organism is the sun. So you can see here, the ultimate source of energy is the sun. And of the total solar radiation falling on the earth, only about 1% is being captured by the plants in terrestrial ecosystem. So producers, they capture only 1% of the uh, 1% of the solar radiations, right? For the in the process of photosynthesis. This energy is stored in the chemical energy for preparing the food, right? When green plants, they are eaten by the herbivores, right? These are the herbivores. So a great deal of energy is lost as heat to the environment in accordance with the second law of thermodynamics, and some amount of energy is used in doing work by the plant, and the remaining goes toward the growth or reproduction. On an average, 10% of food energy is turned into body of herbivores. Okay, so 10% is being utilized. So in the same way, 10% of total energy available to the herbivores is made available for the next level of consumer, and 10% is available to the next. And in other words, on an average, 10% of amount of organic matter that is present at each step reaches to the next consumer level. Okay, and then next consumer level. So since amount of energy available goes on decreasing at each trophic level, so that's why the ecological pyramid, the energy flow is in the form of a pyramid, as the energy amount, it keep on decreasing at each trophic level. Okay, so in an ecosystem, generally the producers are maximum in number. So producers are, they are maximum in number. And if we talk further, then he is saying that as we move along the food chain, the number of individual at each trophic level, they keep on decreasing. So you can see the number of individual, they are decreasing. Okay. Next. Now energy flow in trophic level, I have told you. Green plant producers, they absorb 1% of the solar energy falling on the leaf and store as photosynthesis. During the transfer of food energy from one trophic level to next, 90% of energy is lost and only 10% is transferred. So there is decrease in amount of energy, and transferred at every trophic level is 10%. And this is known as 10% law. Okay. Again, you can see these are the producers having 1000 kilocalories of energy, and 10% of it is 100 kilocalories, 10% of it is 10 kilocalories, and 10% of it is 1 kilocalories. So the amount of energy would keep on decreasing. Okay, so this is being shown in these figure. Now next topic is biological magnification. Now what is biological magnification? If we talk about the biological magnification, what is that? This is a phenomena that involve progressive increase in concentration of harmful non-biodegradable chemicals at different trophic level in food chain is biological magnification. So we know that human beings, they are the top of every food chain, and we know at every level the chemicals percentage is being increasing, and being at the top of every food chain, humans have maximum concentration of harmful chemical in their body. So the increase of percentage of chemical at every level of or every trophic level of food chain is known as biological magnification. That is being told here. So harmful chemical like insecticide and pesticide, which are used to protect crop from insects and pests, are absorbed by plant and enter the food chain. Since these chemicals are non-biodegradable, they get accumulated at every trophic level and their concentration increases. Since human beings occupy the highest trophic level, the concentration of these harmful chemical is maximum in our body, and the increase in concentration of harmful chemical in the body of organism at higher trophic level is biological. So you can see here like plants are being eaten by cow ka milk is taking mother, and mother milk is taken by baby, so concentration is increasing. Similarly, accumulation on mercury in food chain. These are the phytoplanktons and bacteria, insects and zooplankton, they are taking them, then small fish and aquatic species, then predator fish, then birds and mammals, and then human beings, right? This is DDT in water, then DDT in zooplankton, then DDT in small fish, then DDT in large fish, and then DDT in fish eating birds. Okay, and DDT concentration is increasing. Okay, step by step. Now, if we talk about the next topic, that is the depletion of ozone layer. That is also one of the important topic. Now, ozone molecule contain 3 oxygen atoms that we know. That is the formula is O3. At higher level in atmosphere, the UV radiation split some O2 molecule O2 into free oxygen atom which combine with oxygen molecule to form ozone. So what happens? First of all, these O2 molecule with the help of